am going to show you how to access your trial class. So soon after you logged into your tutor account, you can see under your enrolled courses, you can see the upcoming classes. So you can see that the student I&D has a trial class. So this trial class is for the subject physics and the curriculum is Edexcel International A-level and the student's grade is grade 11. So there are two ways that you can access your trial class. Soon after you logged in the landing page, you can see the trial details here. So you can click view course button. So when you click that view course button, you can see the date and also the time. So this time, this 8 p.m. is in your time zone. So in the basic details, as I have shown earlier, basic details, you can update your time zone. So according to that time zone only, this time is visible for you and the date is given. And you can see this is the trial class. It's upcoming trial class, which means the class has not happened yet. So when you click this view button, you can also see this join now button. So it's still it is not 8 p.m. So if you want, you can click on join on button. So when you click that, it will open another window. So after that window is open, you can see the details of the trial class. So you can see the student's name, you can see the tutor's name. So all the details that you show here was there. So you can see that this button, start class button, is still not enabled because still it is not 8 p.m. So 10 minutes before 8 p.m. this class button, start class button, will show up. So this button will be enabled. So you can start the class you can start at the class 10 minutes before 8 p.m. So if we go back, the first way I access the trial class is using the landing page. So there's another way that you can actually access your trial class. So without clicking view course button here, you can go to here, you can go here and you can click on these 9 dots and you can click courses. So when you click courses, under upcoming classes also, you can see the class details of the trial class. So still it is not still we have 4 hours. That's why you can see that the button is not enabled, but when it is closer to 8 p.m. The join class button will be visible here as well. So under my courses also, you can see the same students class I&D. You can see that here as well. So if you want, you can click on this page and still access the same details that I showed you earlier. So this student's full name is Ayan Tanish. If you want to let the student know about something, you can actually type a message here and send. So the students will receive your message and students can send you messages as well. So this is how you access your trial class. So there's one thing to remember when you log into the Tutopiya account and start the trial class. You need to stay logged in to the MS Teams account using the credentials that we share with you.